Yo, come spend a day with your girl. The first stop was Starbucks, of course. Next, I went to Jersey Mike's because I absolutely love their subs. They are delish and fresh at all times. And then I went to Victoria's Secret. That's me playing in the dressing room. Next stop was Belk. Karen, get out my video. But I went to Belk because of some Christmas gifts. I actually was last minute. I think this was like the day before Christmas, actually. But they had what I needed, so I secured the bags from Belk and Victoria's Secret. The last stop of the day was Hobby Lobby. It started raining, so my man dropped me off at the front so I wouldn't get wet. And then guess what? He picked me up down there in the store. Get you one, ladies. A man who give a fuck.